do it, turn your body so it's flat here. And then just straight. Yeah. And Victor, Dirk called me to put a fight together for this. We're doing some Spider-Gwen fanboy? Are you gonna fight me?
No, I was gonna like, you know, it's so cold.
I thought it was gonna be a hug.
What's up guys, my name is Trey and Victor called me to do some stuff that I have no idea what's going on, but I love it already. Spider-Gwen, it's already amazing.
There we are.
Yeah? It's actually radioactive.
There we go, there we go.
I'll be here all week.
How you do it? I can't do it. I'm not coordinated. Let's go.
Hey, you kids! Step up, come forward! Don't make me come down there!
Alright, so I got to make this lighting set up. So,
Oh, Brian, it's coming, dude.
Oh, yeah.
This is it? How bad is it?
Dirk promised it'd be clear.
Yeah, Dirk.
it was on the north side.
It's just building up over us right now. Look at that. Now it's moving.
Well, we better get started.
So the other day, we canceled this shoot for rain. It didn't rain. We tech scouted. It didn't rain. And now here we are on the day of.
At the end of the fight, when everybody's defeated, just have Dirk up there going, that was awesome! Go Spider Lady! Go Spider Chick!
It's 9 o'clock. It's getting late. What's everyone's feeling about saying screw it and filming in the rain?
I don't care. Let's do it. We're not rescheduling again. None of us want to reschedule. We've already rescheduled once. Thanks, Dirk. Calling you out. That's right. I'm down with filming in the rain.
Yeah. Everyone's down for that?
Yeah.
Down for that?
They're down for it.
I like your spirit. There you go.
That's Brian. That's Ryan. And there's Jay.
That part was like
So apparently they're reading.
so just grab, kick, and whatever way. Put a trick on. You know? Going out.
Whoa! Safety first, man.
I'm fine.
How do you feel? It is really slippery, guys, so.
Ooh. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Target, please.
You got that, right?
Turn around, load up.
Okay.
Yeah. Load up so he has time.
Yeah.
Then you have time to aim it and see where you're thinking.
This is just my wide master. Action!
Listen, guys. I know this place's prices are a steal, but you're still gonna have to pay for that.
Goon 1, listen, sweetheart, you can take the jewels. We were really here for you, Spider-Woman.
Listen, sweetheart. You can take the jewels. We were really here looking for you, Spider-Woman.
Bro, I'm just trying to make the BTS, man. Come on. What do you need me to do to get the BTS? What kind of show do I got to put on for you?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you got me some shots up there? Any shots of me dancing?
Yeah.
Alright, so.
As we all know, goon number 1 goes out pretty quick. But little do they know, Spider-Gwen, there's goon number 4, the badass brother. Yeah! We communicate. Look how we communicate. We're brothers. That's how we communicate. He says he wants to go out for some coleslaw, and only coleslaw.
Just do the kick of because we see your arm still goes like past his face. No, that's okay though. That's okay though.
Yeah,
so we don't have this again. So what we'll do is we can have either
And that's also on me, just like cheating back.
Alright, let's do it again. What? Awesome. awesome.
Peter, hey, it's really not a great time right now. I'm really sorry. Let's get to try and tell me all about it. Oh, yeah. I forgot the line.
I want to run through the entire line because I want to break down what lines everyone comes in and when people walk in and get out. You're trying to grab the phone. Why are you doing it? Yeah, why are you? Okay. No, tell me that. Argue with me. I don't know stunts.
I mean, like this, and her moving off of that. I like her like using her spidey sense, never turning it on.
Yeah.
I just don't understand.
Yeah.
Understand this concept.
Okay. Then, all right. Then how do we incorporate her spidey sense?
Consistently there. Try to grab there.
Can you do that from behind? Like
If we practice it. Hello? Peter! Now's really not a good time right now. I'm really sorry. Let's catch up tomorrow. You can tell me all about it. Yeah, I do. I really do. And I think whatever you're thinking is going to be great. And you know not to talk. Sorry. No, no.
It's going to be great.
Great.
Yeah. So let's go from there.
Oh, it never ends. Hello? Peter! Now's really not a good time right now. I'm really sorry. Those idiotic jerks, Peter. Just listen. Did anyone ever tell you not to interrupt the phone call?
Cut.
Dude, that was amazing. That was really good. Everyone, that was excellent. It's not a continuous take because it's bouncing back and forth between Peter.
It's a phone call.
The timing was off. Yeah.
All right,
So
well,
we
let's
can pick
just do that move.
Okay. I really do, and I think whatever you're thinking is going to be great. And you do not listen to those idiotic jerks, Pete. Listen, just don't.
Okay.
It's because it's supposed to be like great, pop up and then great.
Yeah.
So
No. Great is down.
great. So is she doing this on idiotic now? That's the whole thing.
Say the line.
I think whatever you're thinking is going to be great, and you know not to. So not.
Say not, going like strain not. Like,
Yeah.
like not.
Not. Okay. I think whatever you're thinking is going to be great, Pete, and you know not to worry about those idiotic jerks at school.
Yeah, that works.
That looks really good.
Let's try that.
Great, and you know not to listen to those idiotic jerks, Pete.
Perfect. We've got it.
And then you cut to that. Okay.
Yeah, we've got it.
Action. Perfect. Great. That was awesome. Back to the splits.
We're doing good. It's 12:07 and we're 7 minutes over because we're supposed to finish this fight 7 minutes ago, but you know, that's life. That's right, Tim.
Who's behind? I need like the goons behind her. Like
Had a little audio problem.
Right now there's
All I could hear was coleslaw. It's the only thing I could hear the whole time. I swear to God, it was coleslaw.
Okay, cool.
That puts me behind her.
I got a secret. I'm not even going to watch the movie. I'm just going to watch behind the scenes. That's it.
Wait, hold on. You went too far forward.
Wait, do it in reverse.
Put it down. Okay.
I like the idea of like the lights surrounding her. So like having the headlights around her, then her in the middle.
You don't understand how this works, little spider.
Don't let that girl get under your skin, fellas. You know our orders.
We have an offer that you can't refuse.
I know these stores' prices are a steal, but you're still gonna have to pay for that.
And action.
Did her whole body get into frame like when she
It
jumped?
looks pretty badass.
Shoot. See 5 feet, take 1, soft sticks.
Yep.
You can tell whoever your boss is that I'm not interested in what he's selling. Take it somewhere else. Kiss mom goodnight for me, kiddies.
Alright guys, I think that's a wrap on Spider-Gwen, unless Peter Parker over here can think of anything else. Other than the insert shots.